Amboestino, good day. My name is BigStoney. I am a certified personal trainer and a health promoter for the Stony Health Services. If you want to start your journey to a healthier lifestyle or try a new workout program, drop by the Stony Health Services gym. It's located above the Bearspaw Youth Center. We now have new hours starting from 11 a.m. till 4 p.m. and soon to be open until 6 p.m. into the new year.
We have new protocols. We are part of the Alberta Restrictions Exemption Program. All visitors must be double vaccinated and present their QR code at the front of the door to be scanned. We also have a secure door, so visitors must phone this number in order to be let inside the building. As per COVID protocols, please bring your own water and towels and feel free to come dressed in your workout clothes. But the change rooms are available if needed. Stop by and visit. I am a certified personal trainer through CanFit Pro to help you with a personalized program. In the meantime, keep fit and have fun.